Can anybody expand BCI? What is BCI? Bar Council of India. Like MCI is for Medical Council, AICT is for Technical Education, All India Council for Technical Education. Similarly, BCI is for the Bar Council. Other degrees are recognized by the UGC under the Ministry of HRD. The Bar Council of India in India has developed two courses in law. One is the integrated 5 years. This is the entry level qualification is 12th. So if you are a humanities student, you can go for a BA LLB. If you are a student with a science background in 12th also, you can go for BA LLB. Otherwise BCom LLB or BBA LLB. These are the options which is given. You have 5 national law universities in our country: Hyderabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Jodhpur, Gandhinagar, and one in Kerala. You have 5. There's an All India combined law admission test which happens in the month of May. You have to appear for the entrance test. Depending on your ranking, you will be able to do a 5-year law. Along with that, you have other universities like Bangalore University. Again, we are going to start next year. Then you have Christ. Then you have some universities in Jodhpur. You have in Jaipur. You have in Kolkata. They all have a 5-year undergraduate course. Even in Tamil Nadu, you have Ambedkar University. What have you different? Bangalore University. Delhi University also you have. You can appear for a 5-year course. Depending on this, you can take up any of this area. And the areas you can practice is, you can go into civil law, you can go into criminal law, you can go into corporate law, you can go into tax laws. These are areas where you can practice. Into any of the areas, you can practice into any of these areas. Jain University, of course, our Bar Council inspection is awaited. In case if it is, probably by 2016, Jain also will launch a 5-year integrated course. This was not available in my generation. In the last 7 to 8 years, in the last 10 years, this has picked up. And now many of the students, they take law as a career. And this also has come up only because of the knowledge process industries which has picked up. Especially Infosys, Tech Mahindra, all those top companies have come. They are able to give you this. This is after a degree. You can do. Yeah, it's a 3-year undergraduate evening course. You don't have to go for a full-time degree. After your graduation, you can take up a course. Along with your job, you can do this. Along with your higher studies. This is what I have done. I did my BCom. In order to stay in the hostel, I did MCom and law together. So 2 years of MCom and 3 years of law I completed. Law basically is a 3-year evening college degree. This is what I am talking about. This is a full-time degree. And again, you have jobs or careers in corporate law. You have a job in criminal law. You have a good career in company law is corporate law. Civil law, all the civil suits what you see. Then you have the criminal suit, which is the criminal law. Then you have laws related to government, which is called as the tax laws, the statutory laws. Most of the qualified company secretaries, they do this and they do this also because then they can practice into tax. So many of the qualified company secretaries, what they do, they complete their BCom, complete the 2 levels of company secretaries, along with the final level of company secretaries. They do this, so then they can be the job what a chartered accountant does. Because chartered accountant practices into tax. By doing this also, you can practice into sales tax and value-added tax and income tax or the indirect laws. Indirect laws are service tax, customs duty and central excise. So this is the basic structure. If you have any questions to ask, I will be able to answer. No questions, please. Girls? Yeah, please. Yeah. Which one? No, what they have done is, law degree has been integrated along with you study for 5 years. Along with that, you study your BBA, BCom or the BA degree. So what they do is, at the end of 5 years only you get. You don't get at the end of 3 years under graduation or at the end of 2 years. It's an integrated law. It will be called as BBA LLB, BCom LLB or BA LLB. So, pardon? Yeah, you have to do it in National Law University only because there you have more of recognition and value. For it, you have to go for a training for crack. Combined law admission test you have to go after your 12th standard board exams. You have crash courses, you have time, you have career launcher, you have Endeavor. So many people are there who are ready to give you the coaching. You can ask Wing Commander Ganesh sir if anybody comes to this campus to give you the coaching. You can do that coaching, write for the exams, and you can do it. You may not get Bangalore, because Bangalore the ranking goes very high. But Jodhpur, Calcutta, Gandhinagar, Calicut, Chennai, you may have chances. Even Hyderabad, you may have chances.
Short section. Yeah. Sir, is accounts included in BBM?
Accounts you don't have BBM. BBM has more of HR, marketing, and finance. Finance has a basic of accounting. But in case you have to be a successful manager, successful doctor is one person who can know the stethoscope better. Alright? So if you have to be a specialist in doctor, you need to know how to manage the stethoscope. So commerce is that. If you have to be a successful manager, foundation of account is important because that's how you know where money comes, where money goes. Then only you can manage people. So if you are looking at management as a career after BCom Institute, it's a good option. Unless you have made up your mind that I want to do BBA. Yes, please. Industrial psychology. Industrial psychology, what you can do? English and psychology. You have to take up journalism, English and psychology as an option. These three you take up. After that, you can go into mass media, which is again divided into print media or television media. So then you can be a reporter, you can be a psychology is understood because see, whenever it is media also you are taking up, you have to understand people. People management is very important. Tomorrow you have to go and interview politicians. For him, understanding is what is important, and you have to pose relevant questions. That is why journalism, psychology, and English is very important. Command over English is important because whole world looks at English as a medium of communication. Today in India, we have Kannada separately, Tamil separately, Hindi or Bengali. It is regional based. But the world communication takes English only as a major. Just like English is important. Journalism teaches you mass media as well as print media. And psychology gives you understand people management. Because that's very important. Yeah. That's the best combination. It's one of the best. And then after that you have to do the MSc in psychology or a MA in journalism or MA in mass communication. Then take up a job. Otherwise you can take up an MA in media. Yeah. See, one is industrial psychology, second is clinical psychology, third is psychology related to labor. Industrial psychology, which is towards corporate HR. Clinical psychology related to mental is of the person. Right. But even this you can do with clinical psychology. You are looking into being a clinical psychologist, then you will have MBBS qualification or a MSc qualification. For people like the commerce background, industrial psychology and normal other psychology is a general psychology which covers all HR. Yes, please.
Do you need accounts?
Account definitely international business you have accounts. You need to have. Any management post again, because the team for management, yeah, basics. First time accountancy they will teach and again they will teach. See, financial accounting and management accounting are very important even if you are doing your MBA. So if you are doing MBA, you require so that courses are happening because any management graduate can be successful only if he knows you have to do the front flow and the financial analysis. How will you do the financial analysis? It can come only when you know the accounts, when you know the key ratios. So financial management, management accounting, financial accounting are three major subjects which you learn as a part of the MBA. For that you require a good degree in accounts. But marketing also you need account because how will you calculate the profit? How will you do the competitive pricing? Still, so I would advise you go for the accounting related because the account is not difficult, it's very easy. Because mostly today we are computerized. What is needed training? Yes. For actuarial sciences, you need a good background of statistics. You need to study statistics. Even if you are not, it's not a problem. But you need to have a foundation of it. For doing good because there is a BCom course available in actuarial sciences. And then there is the Institute of Finance and Actuarial Sciences, UK. That is supposed to be the best body for being an actuarial scientist. But for that, you have to be very good with numbers. So you need to practice more on numbers. So you have to have a sound background of Microsoft Excel as a part of information technology. You need to be a good part in research. You have to learn that. and then you have to learn this particular course. In Jain, we have started this course from next year, the entrance exam for that. You can look into it. But after that, you have to do the Institute of Finance and External Sciences of UK. That is the next level qualification. Then there's going to be you'll have a flow of offers coming to do it. It is a course which is not difficult, but then you have to be very good with numbers. Similarly in financial markets also, you have to be good with numbers. Yeah, the BFM, you only have it in, it's called as BCom Financial Markets. That course is called as BCom Financial Markets because nomenclature in UGC gives you BBA, BFM or BCom Financial Markets. That you can take. So the course is equally a good course. Along with that, register for the Actuarial Sciences course because financial markets also have major investments of insurance companies into the financial market. And that is where they invest their surpluses. So you can be a good actuary by doing that also. Yes, please, this side. That's basic. We have a Bachelor of Management Studies in Tourism, Hospitality, Travel. It's an emerging sector. It gives you good job opportunities and as well as entrepreneurial opportunities. See, very good question. Yes, what's your name? Your which place? Your Nagpur. Yeah. Conventionally, when we used to become graduates, honors was this qualification which was either given to the top 10 rankers in the university or it was a 4-year undergraduate courses. Like in your 12th standard, what do you do now? You have English, you have additional English, you may have 2 languages. Am I right? But in CBSE you have, but in UC you have 2 languages. Then you have something on other subjects like environmental science. There are some subjects which is physical education you may have, environmental studies you may have. So in BCom Honors what they have done, it is a 3-year specialist course. It goes into, either it goes into management accounting, or it goes into corporate accounting, or it goes into the professional courses like ACCA, CA, other courses. Honors are meant for that. So now suppose you are taking an honors course, you leave away these unwanted subjects like environmental science, languages, you learn more. So you tend, if a BCom has got 6 subjects per semester, honors will have 7 subjects. But they will remove the unwanted subjects. And you are more specific. You have a choice. Either you can go into chartered accountancy or you can go into management accounting, you can go into company secretaries, you can go into ACCA, you can go to CMA, you can go to CMA or the CPA, what is called CPA. Alright? Yeah. All these are available. And honors is a specialist degree. The moment you say you are an honors graduate, they know that you have studied more than an ordinary BCom graduate. BCom Honors, Delhi College is it. Jain University has got. We have it in Jain Honors course. Then you have Pune University which has got BCom Honors. Mumbai University has got BCom Honors. Nagpur, I don't know, I have to check up. Vidarbha, I don't have to check up. Delhi University also has got honors. But there, if you have got a good